In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create web form in Freshsales CRM. Start by opening Freshsales and looking at the left navigation bar. Find the Admin Settings option, which is shown as a gear icon, and click it. This takes you into the area where you control system-level setup, including tools that help you capture leads from your website. Once you are in Admin Settings, move to the section labeled Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. In that area, click on Web Forms. This is where Freshsales lets you build forms that visitors can fill out online and have their details saved directly into your CRM. Next, click the Add Web Form button to begin creating a new form. You will be taken into the Form Builder, where you can decide what information you want to collect and how the form behaves. Now it is time to customize the fields. Click Add Contact Fields, then choose the fields you want to include on the form, such as name and email. Add only what you truly need, because shorter forms are usually completed more often. For any field that must be filled in, mark it as required. A good tip is to make only the essentials required, so the form stays quick and easy for visitors. After your fields are set, configure what happens after someone submits the form. You can choose to display a custom message, which is helpful for a simple confirmation, like letting the user know the submission was successful. Or you can choose a redirect URL, which sends the visitor to another page, such as a thank you page on your site. Pick the option that best matches your website flow and what you want the user to do next. When everything looks correct, click Save. Then click Get Code Snippet. Freshsales will generate the HTML or JavaScript snippet needed to place the form on your website. Copy that code carefully. Finally, open your website editor and paste the snippet into your site, usually in the HTML body where you want the form to appear, or in the footer if your setup requires it. Save and publish your changes so the form goes live. That covers everything you need to know.